Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Elementor Pro. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the official Elementor website at elementor.com. On the top menu bar, click on Pricing. Here you'll see the different plans available. If you only need Elementor for one site, the Essentials plan is a good choice. For up to 3 sites, select the Advanced plan or choose the Expert plan if you need it for up to 25 sites. For large-scale needs, the Agency plan covers up to 1,000 sites. Pick the plan that matches your goals. Next, click the Buy Now button under your selected plan. You'll be taken to the account page. If you're new, create an account with your email and password. If you already have one, just log in. Now move on to payment. Elementor allows payment through credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Enter your details carefully and complete the purchase. After payment, you'll be redirected to your Elementor dashboard where you can access all the Pro features. So that's basically how you can buy Elementor Pro. That's it for this video. Thanks.